Human geography of urban regeneration. What is urban regeneration? Urban regeneration is the redevelopment of certain urban areas that have been poorly looked after and managed. Public and private money help fund these areas to improve economic revitalization, social regeneration, and sustainability. Now, why is urban regeneration important? The one main goal of urban regeneration is to improve the quality of life for residents. Benefits of urban regeneration include economic growth, less pollution, and healthier communities.
So a case study, Newcastle before regeneration. Before regeneration, Newcastle was a high-performing port mainly for removing coal, making it a great reputation and a high-performing economy. Around the 1900s, Newcastle had very good links with other countries in the world to sell materials and buy goods for Newcastle's quayside market. After the Second World War ended, Newcastle faced major problems as coal mining and shipbuilding became less common and were in less demand, leading to places becoming run down and disused. After regeneration, gentrification, which is the process of moving richer people into modernised housing that was once a low-income neighbourhood, has taken place in Newcastle. This involves displacement of people that used to live there as they lose their houses for new modern ones to be built. Areas such as the Oursburn Valley have been transformed into trendy apartments that overlook the waterfront, giving residents and tourists a good view of the area.
A case study of Mumbai before regeneration is Mumbai, once a small fishing village, transformed into a bustling commercial centre with the arrival of the Portuguese in the 16th century. The city's growth was marked by the construction of forts and churches, introducing European architectural styles. The natural harbour attracted merchants from various regions, leading to a fusion of cultures. These early influences laid the groundwork for a city that would become a focal point for trade and migration, resulting in rich tapestry of architectural styles. The British colonial period saw the city's transformation into a modern city with public infrastructure like railways and roads, leading to rapid industrialisation and economic growth. The city's layout was influenced by its natural harbour and strategic location, making it a key port for trade. After regeneration, Mumbai's Majaswadi Master Planning is an urban regeneration project at Majas and Mogras village, which offers an unprecedented and environmentally friendly high lifestyle in Mumbai. The Majaswadi project pertains to proposed slum rehabilitation scheme in western suburbs of Jogeshwari in East Mumbai. The area under question spreads across nearly 70 acres in the larger layout as understood today. The project has been divided into multiple phases based on various considerations, including possibility of faster ground control, acquisition sequence, and feasibility of proposal submissions. Almost half of the land will be for the rehab building and relocation of the slum areas, and the other half will be for sale, residential buildings and commercial. The urban regeneration process began in the 1950s, leading to the development of the central business district and the construction of skyscrapers. This period also saw the emergence of Bollywood in the film industry, which has since become a significant part of Mumbai's cultural identity. Despite the urban regeneration, Mumbai still retains its colonial-era architecture, including the Gateway of India and the Victoria Terminus, which are now part of the city's urban heritage.
Challenges and problems of urban regeneration. Number 1, gentrification. Replacing poor communities with new housing and amenities can lead to an increase in cost of living. This can force current low-income residents to relocate, which may be difficult. 2, lack of funding. If there isn't enough funding, it will obviously limit the effectiveness of the regeneration. Lack of funding will reduce the quality of the infrastructure, compromise community services, and delay construction. 3, socio-economic displacement. A rising cost of living driving out current locals will contribute to a social segregation and may cause a community to lose its identity.
Solutions of urban regeneration. Gentrification is a major issue to consider in urban regeneration projects. One way this is solved is through inclusionary zoning with community engagement, or instead of building expensive luxury flats in place of low-income housing, locals are consulted in the planning process and suitable housing for residents is built, which stops displacement of low-income families. Newcastle's Going for Growth project particularly focuses on community engagement and planning. Lack of funding can be remedied through government funding and grants, where governments allocate a certain amount to areas to support community-led projects. In Mumbai, the Kamathipur redevelopment plan, with an estimated 30 billion in funding, aims to create green spaces and 2,000 plus new houses to improve urban regeneration in Mumbai. Cheaper housing initiatives help to stop displacement by ensuring long-term residency and low-income families are not removed by increasing house costs. For example, the Fourth Yard's regeneration, as of 2024, up to 2,500 homes have been planned near Newcastle Central Station, with the aim to revive derelict land into vibrant urban neighbourhoods.
Summary. In conclusion, urban regeneration is affecting people positively, as it is bringing life to cities which were once derelict and rundown. It is, however, affecting some people negatively, as people may lose their homes due to the new developments taking place on their land, and therefore may become homeless and rely on help from governments. Therefore, urban regeneration has had a mixed effect on people, as it has made cities more attractive for house buyers. However, displacement of people has caused some conflict due to people losing their homes. And here are our references.